It's a really unique session this year. I think it's elevated by the fact that there are going to be a lot of different people participating with a lot of areas of expertise around CRM. So it's almost going to be like a large workshop of consultants and other people who have expertise in CRM. I think there's going to be a lot of great best practices shared. I think anyone in legal marketing or focused on business development in pretty much any size firm could get something out of it. CRM is something that is so essential to legal marketing and business development, even from firms of, say, 50 or larger up to firms of thousands of attorneys need to be able to leverage CRM in order to do what we do, which is help our attorneys market and develop business. Well, I think the marketplace has gotten so competitive, and more than ever, law firms are having to be more efficient and more effective in what they do. And technology like CRM and ERM and eMarketing technology and integrations are all core to success for marketing and business development. We really can't do the things we need to do without that technology and being able to leverage it. I think it'll be unique. And then, of course, interesting. You always use interesting when you can't think of anything else to say, but I think we're going to be having some fun at this session. Beautiful weather, beautiful mountains. I'm a snowboarder. There's going to be skiing. It's going to be right there in the heart of everything fun. But I really think what's going to be most exciting about the conference is going to be the attendees, all of our LMA family and friends, and being able to meet each other and spend some time together and learn from each other and have some fun together.